Welcome to VCARE, and welcome to this gentle self-love and grounding flow. Find a comfortable seated position on your mat, cross-legged, or any way that feels good. Rest your hands over your knees or your heart. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your body soften into the mat beneath you. Feel the support of the earth, steady, safe, and always holding you. With every inhale, breathe in love and presence. With every exhale, release anything that feels heavy or unneeded. Let's begin from this space of calm awareness. Gently drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. You can let the left hand rest heavy beside you, or reach it slightly away to deepen the stretch. Take a few slow breaths here, feeling space along the left side of your neck. Softly roll your chin down toward your chest, then up to the other side. Now, left ear toward left shoulder. Relax your jaw. Soften your gaze behind closed eyes. Each exhale melts away tension from your neck and shoulders, the places we hold so much emotion. Come onto your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your spine, lift your chest and tailbone. Exhale, round your back, draw your navel in, press the mat away. Move slowly, flowing with your breath. This motion awakens your spine, brings gentle warmth through your core, and helps energy move freely through your body. A reminder that softness and strength can live together. From tabletop, inhale your right arm up toward the ceiling. Exhale, thread it underneath your left arm, lowering your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Let your left hand stay on the mat or reach forward for a deeper release. Feel the gentle twist along your upper back, easing tension around your heart space, where emotions are stored. Breathe in openness. Breathe out softness. Sit back on your heels for a moment, then bring the soles of your feet together. And let your knees fall open. Hold your feet or ankles. Sit tall through your spine. Inhale. Lift your chest. Open your heart forward. Exhale, fold gently over your feet, letting the head and neck relax. This pose opens the hips, an emotional center of the body, and invites in gentleness and acceptance. Remind yourself here, I am enough just as I am. Come back up tall. Place your right hand beside you. Inhale, lift your left arm overhead. Exhale, lean to the right, stretching through the entire left side of your body. Keep both side bones grounded. That's your root, your stability. Come back up tall. Place your right hand beside you. Inhale, lift your left arm overhead. Exhale, lean to the right, stretching through the entire left side of your body. From here, bring your knees wide, big toes touch, and fold forward into child's pose. Arms can stretch forward or rest by your sides. Let your forehead melt into the mat. Slowly roll onto your back, knees bent, feet hip-width apart, arms by your sides, palms pressing down. Inhale, lift your hips, press through your feet. Exhale, slowly lower back down. Move a few times with your breath, feeling strength through your legs and support from your core. Bridge helps open the chest and energize the heart, creating balance between grounding and lightness. On your last one, hold at the top for 2 deep breaths, then gently release. Now hug both knees into your chest, giving yourself a soft squeeze, a moment of self-kindness. Let your knees drop over to the right. Extend your left arm out to the side. Gaze to the left. Feel the stretch through your spine and ribs. It helps detoxify and release emotional blockages. Now, left side. Draw your knees back through center, then drop them to the left. Gaze to the right. Breathe deeply, allowing your body to unwind and soften into the mat. Bring the soles of your feet together again. Knees open wide. One hand rests on your heart, the other on your belly. Close your eyes. With every inhale, feel your chest rise. With every exhale, feel yourself grounding a little more. Let this shape remind you that love begins from within. Steady, gentle, and endlessly present. Extend your legs long, arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Take one final deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Feel your body heavy, your heart open, and your mind calm. Here, nothing to do, nowhere to go, only to be. Rest in your own presence, your natural state of peace. When you're ready, start to bring movement back. Small circles with the wrists and ankles, Gently roll to one side and come up to a comfortable seat. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Take one last breath in gratitude for your body, your breath, and your time today. Thank you for sharing this gentle, loving space with me. If you enjoyed this flow, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care of yourself and take care of your energy.